Making our customers happy is our #1 priority. So when one of them writes us an awesome 5-star review, we love to share it. It's obvious that reviews like this always make us smile, but it also serves as a reminder to us that it's imperative to provide the best service possible for our customers. We believe that our future success comes from the way we treat our customers today. So let us put our thousands of hours of dedication, experience, and 5-star customer service to work for you today. We love the opportunity to earn a great review from you, too. Thanks for taking a moment to check us out. We're excited about serving you and the people you care about. Don't hesitate to call us at the number on your screen. We look forward to doing business with you.